What's up guys, Eric with Varus Engineering, and today we are going to be installing some dive planes on the GT86 you see behind me. Basically, as far as the tools required, you're going to need some scissors to cut the template out. You're going to need some painter's tape to tape that template on the car, and then you're going to need isopropyl alcohol and water mix for the double-sided tape, and then a microfiber to use the alcohol water mix on the vehicle and the dive plane, and that's used to install the double-sided tape. As far as the kit components, you're going to have a left and a right dive plane, and you're going to have a left and a right double-sided tape, and then a template which is included with all of our kits. All right, so off screen I cut the template out. You can see right there, nice and cut, and then we have it taped on the car with some painter's tape, and you can follow the directions right there. So there's your bumper fascia, which is kind of like the fog light inlet. So that's what that part goes around. And then we have right there, we have the wheel arch, and it's following both. I've then cleaned this area with alcohol and water mix. Please follow 3M guidelines there. I have then test fit the dive plane to ensure that the area that we cleaned and the template all line up with how it should fit on the car, like so, and it does. So the next thing up is I'm gonna basically peel off that red backing and stick it on the car. All right guys, and just like that, the install is done. The double-sided tape is adhered to the bumper. We recommend letting the car sit for about 3 days. Also, the best thing to do for as far as temperature is for it to be above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which it definitely is today. That promotes the best adhesion according to 3M's VHB tape recommendations. So while you're doing this, you want to massage the dive plane into the bumper, try and get that to adhere as best you can, then let it sit. At the end of the day, dive planes are installed, ready to go.